back, guys. It's Kids Going Playground here. Today we're back for another video on Scratch, and today we'll be making a make your own snowman. And Thanksgiving just passed, so happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. And Christmas is around the corner, so we made a Christmas game, Make Your Snowman. So it plays xylo, some type of sound, and you see snow is constantly falling. And you have the sticks. You can drag them onto your snowman. This one's on the back because like it's like that. And the scarf. As you can see, you can change the color of the base, like the 3 buttons. So we got black, we got gray, we got blue, we got red, and yeah, basically that's for the body as well as the head. No, the head we have the carrot, only changing orange, yellow, red, purple, and blue. And there's a random button which randomizes all the colors on the snowman. And as you can see, the carrot's red on this one, the hat is yellow, scarf is yellow, and the boots are red. The boots always are the same color, so yeah. I just checked the snowman sprite, and I'm pretty sure the right boot is supposed to be in the back of the snowman and not the front of the snowman. Just as the stick, it was in the front. I'm pretty sure it's in the back, so we put it on the back. And now we're gonna change the boot thing, so we'll be right back. So we just fixed the problem, so as you can see, it's behind the snowman now, so we could put the boot behind it, and the stick is as well, so we can make a fairly decent snowman using the random, change these around. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be making today. Okay, so now we have started a new project, so let's write make your snowman. And we're going to delete this. And we have everything in the backpack, but this is how you're supposed to do it. It takes a while to do it, but search up snowman, and we're going to be doing the base, right? So you go to costumes, and you delete everything until you have the base, and then you rename it. Of course, you name this like base 1 or whatever, and this like base 2, and just change the color of the buttons or the snow if you want to. And this is basically how we made our bases. So we have everything in the backpack. So like, what if I wanted to do a body? So we have snowman. By the way, everything here is 200% the size. So what if I wanted to do the body? Well, delete everything but the body, and just rename it, of course, but I'm not going to rename it because like it takes too much time, and just change the button color. So that's basically what we're going to be doing. And I have everything inside the backpack to speed up the process for you. Snowman. And if you wanted to do the boot or anything, this is how you do the boot. So you go here, delete everything, and the left boot, and this is how you make the left boot, and then search it up, and snowman, you do right boot. So that's basically how we're going to be doing things today. So delete all of this, and we're going to get everything in the backpack. So yeah, since this is too time consuming and we don't want to waste your time watching me draw a bunch of stuff, we have the base and black, gray, we just put that in the backpack. So we have everything set up here, so let's get started on code. And yeah, if you don't want to make to change the base or the body or the head, or if you want to do that, you can make next scarf and just do the same thing for the scarf. So let's work on the base. So let's just do B12. Alright, so the base here. So all we have to do is when the green flag is clicked, we will go to the position. Of course, if you put things in the backpack, they'll be in the right position. So just find a position around here that is reasonable. And of course, change the size of everything to 200, except the buttons. You can just export it from my game. And yeah, and we have to get the backdrop. So any backdrop, but I'm going to take the winter one, I think it's called. I don't know what it's actually called. I think it's called winter. Yes, this one. And yeah, so we have that, and just delete this backdrop. So now we have that. So we're gonna work on the base now. So everything's 200. Remember that. Keep in mind. And export. You just go to my project. I will share this by the time this is out. Click the export button, and it should be there, and you should be able to, able to import your sprites into your own project. So since we have this go-to right here, I'll switch costume to base 1, which is the regular base, which is brown buttons. So switch costume to base 1. And yeah. So now we're gonna move to the next base sprite. So we have this when the green flag is clicked. We'll make this go to this position, and when this sprite is clicked, then it will broadcast change base. Yeah, you can change scarf, change boot, whatever you want. Change left boot, and we go to the base now. So when I receive change base, it will next costume. And now we're gonna work on the body. Also, I'm just gonna demo it to show you if it works or not. So yeah, it's working fine. So now we're gonna move on to the body. So let's get this done. So when the green flag is clicked, it will go to this position. I already have it. So, and then it'll switch costume to body 1. This is the default. And then we move back to the next body, and we have the when this sprite is clicked, it will broadcast a message. Change body. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the go to. So when the green flag is clicked, go to. And now we're going to move to the body, and when I receive change body, then it will next costume. And now we're going to go to the head, and we have the head. So when the green flag is clicked, basically we go to, and then switch costume to head 1. And now when I receive change head, which is basically we just go to next head, and when the green flag is clicked, go to, and when the sprite is clicked, then it will broadcast change head. So we're gonna do change head. And now we have the change head. We go back to the head, and when I receive change head, it will go next costume. And now we're gonna work on the randomize button, the random. So because the random really is the base of almost everything here. So when the green flag is clicked, it will go to this position. We already have it. And when this sprite is clicked, it will randomize. Randomize. Is this how you spell it? Randomize, yeah. And okay, randomize. We go back to the base. This has a lot of transitioning. So when I receive randomize, pick random, repeat until, it will pick random 10 to 20. So that was an accident. Instead of repeat until, sorry guys, it's repeat with a number. So this one, and we have pick random 10 to 20. So it will show you as it's changing, it's transition. I'm gonna go to next costume and wait 0.1 seconds. So we have this done, and basically we just have to copy this code to the body, the head, and the left arm and right arm you cannot change the color. So now we're gonna do the hat. So we're gonna put this to the hat, we're gonna put this to the scarf, we're gonna put this to the left boot, but please do not skip this part. We have something special for the left and right boot. So the left boot and right boot, we want to make them have the same color because basically it's matching. So we go repeat 15 times, so a number in the middle, and they'll be technically the same color. So let's do this. Let's see. So random. As you can see, it's changing color. Alright, so now we're gonna code the hat. So the hat, we have to make this draggable. So when the green flag is clicked, we will go to this position and then go forever. Oh, first we have to do something very important and switch costume back to hat number 1 because it's going to be different and it's going to start randomizing. So we go forever and set mode to draggable. Where's that? Set drag mode to draggable. And since we have that, put it to the scarf, the left boot, and the right boot. Yes, and we have to change the position. So what is the position of the scarf right now? So the position has to change, and this change back to scarf 1. In the left boot and right boot, so instead of hat 1, we left boot 1, and we have a go-to specialized for this one. And for the right boot, same story, change the go-to and the costumes. Right boot 1. So yeah, so feel free to pause. I'll go back to all of these, so if you need a pause, feel free. And this is the code. This is the code for the hat. So we have things specialized for the right boot. So the right boot, we will make this go to the back later. Of course, because it's behind the snowman, it's supposed to be behind the snowman. So we're gonna make this go to the back later. So we put that right inside here. Inside front layer, back layer. And now I'm going to code the left and right arm. So let's get to the left arm. And when the green flag is clicked, this should be simple enough. We go forever and ever, and we will set mode to draggable. And we're going to put this with the right arm, but remember to change the position. We put this on the right arm. And remember to change the position. Position should be this, and we will put this to go to the back later because the right arm is supposed to be on the back later. So yeah, feel free to pause. So right now we're going to do the snow sprite. It's going to be constantly falling down, so let's draw the snow. White, do this, do this, and then shift and make a small circle. And we center this. Let me see if I can center it. Is this in the center? Yeah, this is centered. And now we have the white Sprite one, which is also known as snow. And we will go to the snow and we will code it. So when the green flag is clicked, okay, so I'm going to drag in my forever loop, and this is a very important part of the thing. So set wind, our new variable, wind. Please do not skip for this sprite only. And it'll set wind to pick random -1 to +1. So it's going to be, yeah, the wind will be scattered around. And when the green flag is clicked, it will set ghost effect to 20 to give it some effect. I mean, not 20, 100. And then it'll go to x0 20 0, which is x0 is over here, but we're gonna use the y and make it to 20. So right here on the coordinate plane, like around this point, and it'll go forever. It'll create a clone of myself, and it'll wait a pick random amount of seconds. So wait, pick random 0.005 to 0.01. So that's how long it'll take to create another clone. So when I start as a clone, it will set size to is this the right one? No, this isn't the right one. This is this. Set size to pick random 70 to 80. You can make it a larger range if you want big and small pieces of snow. But 70 to 80, or you can do whatever you want. So I did 70 to 80 on my other one, but then the sprite was smaller, so I'm gonna do 70 to 100 on this one. And then it will go to a pick random position. So go to X. Y should always be on the top. It's always going to be up here. Go to X, pick random negative 240 and to positive 240. So as you can see, negative 240 to positive 240. And it will repeat for. It will change ghost effect by minus 20. And it will repeat 2 times. And change Y by, where's the change Y? Here. So change Y by minus 5, and it will go down. And change X by wind. And now this is going to be the big chunk of code, so bear with me here. You have a repeat until, I have to zoom out for this. And since there's so much things, we have to use repeat until put a or, repeat until it's touching the base, or put another or to make it 3, because you do that, and you put or touching body. So this is only if you want the snow to when it hits like the arm or the head or the base body or the scarf or anything, it will disappear. And it's only if you want it to do that, but you don't have to do it if you want it to phase through the thing. So we have this, and when it is touching body, or we have another or touching body or the head, and we drag another or, and then from the head we put the left arm, and then we put another or, and we put the right arm, and we put the right arm. So put that inside there, right arm, go back to put another or, and duplicate that instead of right arm. Do the hat, there it is, and another or, and instead of that we put the duplicate. Instead of using the hat, we go do the scarf, and after that we put another or, and we put the left boot, and we put another or, we put the right boot, where's right boot, and we put no more ors, and then we put right next to the right boot we have the edge. So it'll also disappear when it's touching the edge. So base, body, head, left arm, right arm, hat, scarf, left boot, right boot, and edge. So get that in, and let's continue. So, and let's put, and we're gonna duplicate this. So change y by -5 and change x by wind. So let's put that there and repeat 10 times. It will change ghost effect. By 10. And now we will delete this clone. Right under there. And now we're gonna get the sound in. So when the green flag is clicked, I always set the volume to 25 because I'm talking, and yeah, I think I use Xylo 2, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, this one. And it will play Xylo 2 until done. Wait, first we have to get our forever loop. I forgot the forever loop. Where's the forever? There we have it. And play sound Xylo 2 until done. And now we are done with our project. So let's see if it works or not. So let's do this. Oh yeah, I gotta change the variable. Okay, I gotta go to the snow and turn off this. Okay, and now we'll start. So now let's do this. Snow is already falling, disappearing, and it's touching the arms, everything, touching the boots, touching the edge. And we can change the snowman base: black, gray, blue, red. You get the point. Body, head, which is just a carrot on the nose. We can drag on the scarf, and we can put back the boots. You can put on the arms, so you can be decorative with it. And random, you can put this more up on the body. And random, so you created your own snowman with your own features that you like the base. If your favorite color was blue, why not change this to blue? Why not change this to blue? Why not keep this blue? Why not change this to blue? So you're basically creating your own snowman. So that with the features you like. So anyways, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below what else videos you want to see on our channel. And yeah, something please not too hard because I have to spend a lot of time doing that. And anyways, see you guys next time.